Why are you joining Global Spoken English?
Because it is good for learning English speaking.
Why English is important?
Without English you can't do anything. That's why English is important in our life. How are you, Mara?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I am also fine. Can you tell me about your brother?
My brother is very well.
Can you tell me your brother name?
My brother name is Anush Sheikh, Ayan Sheikh, Taimur Sheikh.
Can you tell me about your little brother?
Yeah, my little brother are very naughty and they are playing too much.
What does your brother do daily?
My brother is fighting me daily.
Do you like to learn English?
Yeah, I like. Why not?
Oh. Can you tell me about your father?
Yeah, my father name is Anish Sheikh.
What does your father do?
My father is mechanic.
What can you tell me about your mother?
My mother is housewife and she is very honest person. And she loves me.
Can you tell me about your elder brother?
Yeah, he is fighting with me daily.
Tell something more.
He is laborious also but fighting daily.
It's big complaint. Fighting very big complaint.
Do you like to do school homework?
Yeah, I like. Why not?
Did you go to school daily?
No, I never go to school.
What is your school name?
I never go to school. I didn't take admission in any school, but I take admission in Global Spoken English.
Oh. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm very happy in myself because I have parents. That's why.
What is your mother name?
My mother's name is Sabrina Sheikh.
Does your mother do work?
No, my mother is not doing work.
Why?
I don't know why.
Does your mother beating you?
No, my mother is not beating me. My mother is loving me.
Why?
Because I have 3 brothers and because I am alone, that's why.
Can you tell me how many brothers your father has?
My father has 2 brothers
And how many sisters?
1 sister.
Can you tell me about your younger brother?
I have 2 younger brothers. They are, when I eat something, then they snatch me.
But why?
Because they are not loving me, that's why.
How can you tell?
Because I am feeling like this.
But I can't feel. My brother doesn't give me anything.
You give my brothers something, but they didn't give me something.
How am I not giving?
You are giving, but they are not giving.
To me.
Yeah, me.
Yeah, you can ask.
Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Why do you like green color?
Because it is famous in this world.
And do you like speak English?
Yeah, I like to speak English. Why not?
In which class do you study?
I study in 5th class.
In which school?
In St. Sebastian High School.
Where is it situated?
It is situated in Mumbai, but now I am not going to Mumbai.
Okay. Why are you joining Global Spoken English?
Because it is good for learning English speaking.
Why English is important?
Without English you can't do anything. That's why English is important in our life.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a scholar.
Which type of scholar?
Islamic scholar.
Thank you for listening us. Thanks for listening very much.
और पहले से प्रेफर नहीं किए थे कि इनको बोलना है। इनको मैंने कहा भी नहीं था कि आपको आज परफॉर्म करना है, बट आपके सामने जब छोटे बच्चे बोल सकते हैं कि हमारे में लेसन है कि वी ऑल्सो कैन। सर तो किसे दिया जाए? हाँ पहले एक को डिसाइड सर करें। बहुत आप परफॉर्मिंग तो सर तो मुझे कंफ्यूजन में डाल दिए। अच्छा तो हम अपने जज का दिल नहीं तोड़ना चाहेंगे और दोनों बच्चों को मैं गिफ्ट देने जा रहा हूं। मैं दोनों बच्चे बुलाता हूं और दोनों को खाना खिलाऊंगा।
सर सर